government has issued a notification yesterday regarding reservation of wards, first time for the scheduled caste, then ST, OBC and also for women. Now from tomorrow, that is 18th of May, the nomination process will start in all the wards. All the 21 ROs are prepared and geared up to handle this task, and nomination papers will be accepted in the morning hours from 10 a.m. up to 1 p.m. For 7 days, nominations will be accepted from 18th to 25th. This excludes 21st May, which is a Sunday. And ROs are fully prepared and they have made all the arrangements. We have appointed general observers, one for each taluka. Senior scale or junior scale Goa Civil Service officers have been appointed. Today, they will be visiting most of the ROs, and I am expecting a report later from the observers. And whatever information we have got, ROs are well prepared now to start the election process from tomorrow. Come into being from 18, that is tomorrow onwards. It will continue up to the counting. If counting continues in some ward or some panchayat, say on 14th, so the code of conduct will continue up to 14th. Otherwise, code of conduct is till the date of counting.